Hi class, today we want to do a little video about Google country codes. Angel, do you have any idea what a country code is?
No. What is it?
Well, each country has their own sources of information on the internet, and to be able to access that you have to know the country's country code. So gee, how would we find out how to access this information? Well, let's try going to internetworldstats.com. And if you look, you see the website, and as you scroll down, you see the country or region name. And you see the symbols. There's a two-letter symbol for each country. So today we're going to try to find the symbol for the United Kingdom. Can you find the symbol for the United Kingdom for me?
I can look and see. Okay, it looks like it's UK.
UK is right. So how can we find information in the UK? If you don't know what the UK stands for, it's the United Kingdom. So let's try something. Let's try to find some information, and let me show you how it would be done. I think we should see what the causes of the American Revolution was from the British perspective. So what we need to do is write in quotation marks causes of the American Revolution.
Okay.
And then we will spell out site, S-I-T-E, and then what was our country term?
UK.
Okay, put it in UK and hit search. Now then we'll see, if we look, we see American UK history. So we are now in resources from a British perspective, and we can uh,
Have different perspectives from an American perspective and a United Kingdom perspective.
well, if we wanted to have an American perspective, then what would we do differently?
Well, didn't we go over some Boolean terms? Couldn't we go back to those and reiterate those terms, type those in to the search engine?
Well, let's try something and see how we could use those terms. Would you go over first one more time, since this is a new video, and let everyone know exactly what these terms are and what they can do?
Well, again, the Boolean search terms are and, or, and not. So to summarize that, if we were using them for World War I and World War II, then the page would contain both of these. If you were using them for World War I or World War II. Then, if you wanted it for World War I, but not World War II, this is how you would write that. Do you understand, Mr. Ellis?
Yes, so we're looking at and, or, and not. Let's see if we can do an example to refine a search and see how it goes. Let's try this. Let's try George Washington. Would you type George Washington in for me, Miss Martinez? When we type in George Washington, military leader, in parentheses, not president. And then we're going to use site UK to get a British perspective